iPhone 16 users are facing video sound recording problems. iPhone 16 users are experiencing sound issues during video recording, such as low volume or no sound at all. These issues may be caused by iOS bugs, device performance issues, third-party app interactions, or hardware problems. In this video, we are going to see how to fix these issues. Let's get started. Solution 1. Set audio to stereo. Go to Settings app, Camera, Record Sound. Choose Stereo. Solution 2. Enable mono audio. Open Settings, tab on Accessibility. Select Audio and Visual. Enable mono audio. Video sound recording issues are a common problem with the iPhone 16 Pro. Quick setting adjustments and restarting the iPhone are some solutions to the problem. However, the iPhone needs more advanced troubleshooting options as a lifesaver for users.